Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now there seems to be a situation taking place on the Jamaican island with patrol officers and high-ranking members of law enforcement and traffic cops. One of the time it was taximan and police. That would be the topic of the video we will see circulate. Now we are saying police officers are getting involved in an altercation with other police officers over traffic tickets or traffic violations. I'm going to see what I go on and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
You hold that phone in your phone?
You said me have it. No, I don't have a phone in my hand because you might take picture and I see my phone in my hand. And you said me have a phone. You said me have a phone, I use my phone, I either be sure to turn up on the sidewalk or I'm never use my phone. You want documents, you want me to come here and use my phone. I use my phone, either. You can't check my phone and check my phone.
Where you holding the phone?
No, I have it in my hand because I take picture everything.
I saw him driving along Oak Road with the cell phone, Samsung Galaxy S9 device clutched in his hand. Driving down, me signal him to stop. A matter of fact, he make eye contact with me and him drive come down all the way down, so you see him. Tell him to provide him documents. Him refuse to provide him documents. I'll know me not get him documents him. Call me that. You see him like how you see him go on, him go on. You gotta get them tickets there, you know. Me promise you that, you know. Sir, I know you not produce me that documents. Let me see your documents. Let me see your documents, please.
That's all me said to him. That's all me said to him. He said, I'm going to go to court. I'm not even for the camera. And that me tell you, don't that me tell you. See him, me tell him. And he still say, my idea.
The driver's license,
right after put me around. I'm telling him and he said no business.
Sarge, I want to see driver's license and documents.
Call somebody senior. I mean ask him when senior there. Because we can't talk to him. Because he likes the truth. Him in their uniform if he say my bigger police guy.
Yeah. I don't need to do this in the public.
In my problem,
sir, me ask you countless times. I know me not see your documents, you know. Why me can't see your documents all now, sir? Why me can't see your documents all now? Produce me that. You get that to fail to comply with constable command, you get an additional ticket. Let me see your documents. For each count of command,
so produce the driver's license.
For each command, produce your driver's. You don't have it. Step on the outside of the vehicle, please.
Can I have one?
No, Sarge, I'm going to get it to you. No one, Sarge. Sarge. No, Sarge. Sarge. May I tell you, I'm going to get it. Sarge. I'm going to get it, Sarge. I can't identify him. I'll see who come up there. I don't know if I am that.
What's your name, sir?
Him? No? Well, if you don't have a driver's license, you know, and I can't identify, say, you're the owner of a driver's license, you know, we have to deal this a different way, you know. Exit the vehicle from a place.
Mr. Brown?
Sarge.
Mr. Brown?
Sarge.
Mr. Brown.
Let me have a word over here, Sarge. Sarge, let me have a word with you over here, Sarge. Me not fi argue with you, you know. I this I do all that talking for me. Me not fi argue with you. Police or no police, you can't see me out here and go like you want boy me up. How are you, man?
Focus my road.
Are you the holder of a valid driver's license, sir? No, me no want to pass at the stage. I tell you, we pass at the stage. Me I prosecute him accordingly. Are you the holder of a valid driver's license, sir? If you drive where,
Now also making headlines today, it's been alleged that a man known as Baba Roots' life was taken after he wrongfully used his licensed firearm, and the FLA subsequently took back his license and his firearm. Now they said that after that was known to criminals, his home was invaded. We don't know if a reprisal for his previous actions, and this was just a crime of opportunity. I'm going to hear the voice note though, and then we'll continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
Morning everyone, yeah. Boy, back from Baba Roots situation, I know. May I get you understand, say Baba Roots did have a license firearm and got some funeral almost a week. And when I work with him and him in some altercation, I don't know if I have money or what. You know, him and him getting our argument and Baba Roots pulling firearm and shoot the youth in him out. Youth never dead. But FLA take with the man gun or whosoever do the report. You know, based off of what people are saying thing, then take when gun. Cause that's what FLA really do, you know, them listen other people's story. Or listen where they don't want to hear for your story, you know. But yet, them not understand so the reason why you get your gun is to protect yourself. Right? Now, the thing about the whole situation and story you know is, to me, is FLA really caused this man death, you know. Because if the man did have a firearm, then boy I could hook up on the man then we so easy then. They would have to think twice. And why I say it caused him in a split second, probably when him realizing here intruders are coming in on him, he can't do nothing. You understand? Because he don't have a gun to protect himself. And I'm gonna look back on it and say it's sad. It's sad to like a firearm holder out there where might just make a move and then how you look, you know, look justify say the person when I attack you. Right? And then take away your gun and then you check it out. Criminal know that and come upon you. Right? But how me see it, you know. So how me see it right now, if you put certain things to perspective, you say, I really FLA make this a man get into that situation because boy out there know say you know having gun, or boy know out there say yo FLA take one gun and in have the powers they like. So then four of them go on for them over me here, you know. Take out in window and things. Another thing I blame him for, don't have no dog in our yard. That me get you understand. So but that one FLA if you get look a pinch right too, man. Yeah, also me see it.
Now truth be told, licensed firearm holders need to know this. Your licensed firearm is to protect your life, property in certain events, and in certain situations, the lives of others. Licensed firearm and if you go a dance and go hear your favorite song and fire rounds into the ear. A licensed firearm and if you use to intimidate people. As a matter of fact, most civilians have a concealed carrier's permit. Your gun not even supposed to be visible to other people to intimidate them. You're not supposed to just walk in the supermarket and see your gun by your leg like he's a member of law enforcement. No. And also you go FLA no award civilians these type of gun license. No. And maybe in special situations. But a concealed carrier's permit over most people have. So when people wrongfully use them firearm against citizens of the country and the FLA take away these license and the firearm itself, of course an individual life is now in more jeopardy. Now, there are people who probably are not even aware say FLA take away license firearm. You have criminals who are now aware say have a firearm and probably want to come feet Of course, sad fear that life was taken in the manner in which it was taken. But people are quick to point out, say, this man recently used his firearm against somebody. And clearly, it was in a situation that it was not justified. Because if it was justified, FLA would have done them investigations, of course. And then the firearm would be returned. Even though it doesn't sound like he was charged for using the firearm. So maybe he never break the law, but the manner in which he used him gun license, we don't know. And maybe the investigation was just still being done. And it never completed. And they never gave him back him firearm. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, let's pass through. We'll click the subscribe icon. And of course, the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them, sister and them, brother them. If you check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Now a quick recap. Law enforcement officers versus law enforcement officers. This is the new trend that we are seeing on social media. And a man who shot and wounded another man and had his license firearm taken by the FLA, his life was taken by criminals. Talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. As I say, if you're new to the channel, so pass through, subscribe icon and the bell icon. Until the reason again, live, love and prosper. Stay tuned.